Things are crazy right now, and amongst all of the craziness, I know so many people who are stuck at home and really falling into the trap of becoming lazy and unmotivated. It sounds exciting that gourmet bosera Netflix and Amazon my movies and series here now, but at the end of the day, it does not feel good to get nothing done. Even though I do think that you need to give yourself a time to process all the feelings and emotions, I also think that you should also create some level of structures and routine so you can maintain the positive momentums as much as possible in your life. So in this video, I'm gonna be sharing things that you can do to stay motivated and productive when you are stuck at home. So the first thing is that you need to make sure that you have a solid morning routine. Wake up early, drink a glass of warm water. I love to do cardio exercises and yoga. I go to my kitchen, prepare my breakfast, prepare lunch for my family. After this, I get into my office work and work till I finish my task. What you can do is do some stretching, study, drink water, read some books, eat breakfast, and most important, I have to say, reminding yourself that you are gonna make best out of today. Second thing is putting on your real clothes. I put on real clothes, I put on makeup. When you actually get ready, I feel like it's so much more motivating just to take the actions. Next thing you want to do is make sure that you have a clean working space, because you are likely going to be spending a lot of time at your home. You want to make sure it's distraction free. You want to make sure it's distraction free when you're doing your creative work or studying. It should be clean and well organized. It's super soothing and cleaning, and the end results makes it so much easier to just have space to breathe and think and be creative. Another thing is I always plan my day the night before. यसरी भोलिको लागि आज नै plan गर्दा prepare गर्दा I already know what I'll be doing tomorrow, and it helps me save much more time. Another point is to use your phone as less as you can. It decreases your inspiration and creativity, and you are going to waste you much more of time. What I personally do is I just keep my phone somewhere. I finish my task for the day and then only I check my phone. Obviously this is not an easy task, not an easy habit to do, but once you think your phone is lava and will burn your hands once you touch it, it will work. It has worked for me, and I hope this makes sense to you too. Also, you want to make sure you have people around you, your family, close friends, your partner. You want to share everything that happened during the day. You feel more productive, loved and cared when you talk or chat or be with people you love. Don't just allow yourself to only work and be productive all the time, all the day, but have some time for yourself too. Don't feel guilty to have a chill time. Be lazy sometimes, spending in what you love. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. We know this is a tough time, so I wanna request you all to stay safe. Let's get more productive, less lazy, and get things done. I'll see you in my next video.